What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your tail light on a Chevy Avalanche. This happens to be a 2002, but it's probably the same on multiple different years of Avalanches from the 1500 to 2500. What when you take down your tailgate, which you'll see right here is your tail light, you'll have two screws that you have to take out. I'm doing it now. All it takes is a Phillips head screwdriver, pretty much. You just want to remove the top screw like that. You'll come down here and you want to remove your bottom screw, and once you pretty much take out those two screws like that, your whole tail light assembly will come out, and you'll be able to come right here and get to all your lights, basically your brake lights, your turn signals, and all that. I could do is now you can see right here, I'm just going to change this one out. You just press down and spin like that. Once you do that, you'll be able to get to your lights, whether it be your backup light, your turn signal, as well as your brake light. Then once you pull this out, like to change out this one, you just want to pull it out like that. It'll pop out. Then what you want to do is take your new bulb, just pop it right back in the same way, come back in, put it back in, and then spin it back, and you're good. Same thing for the other ones. You would come right here, push down, spin, and it takes it out. Do the exact same process again for all your different lights if you want to change them all out. As well as, say you want to change out this whole assembly, say it got cracked or something like that, you want to put a whole new one on. All you got to do now is just take each one of these things out, and the whole assembly now will be free, so you can change this whole part out. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your tail light as well as your tail light assembly on a Chevy Avalanche. This happens to be a 2002 model, but it's probably the same for multiple different years. Alright, please subscribe and please check out our other videos. Thanks.